Shloks Toy World. Today I'll be unboxing an Air India airplane. It's a small airplane. This is Air India. It's a cool plane. It's my favorite plane. I like when that stripes it has on the tail, and I like red color, so it's my favorite plane. And behind you have that sentence like aircraft mode. So it's a pretty cool toy, and we'll be unboxing it. Now I'm going to unbox this and show you. It'll be this open side. You can open from anywhere. Aeroplane. You won't be needing this. Okay. This is Air. Looks very cool. Now we're going to open this. Wow, this looks so cool. We have the windows and these windows. The tail looks very cool, right? Air India. And the entrance, who made this? They missed that. They missed the stripes on the engines, but it's a pretty cool plane. And on the wings, you need to add some red. That's the real Air India. But I'm still happy with this. It's pretty cool. You have the emergency doors on the wing. They just jump on the wing. Like if you're like in the water, they just jump on. They go on the wing and they jump from the wing. And you have I think there's no other emergency exits. So they just use from the doors normally. You have the behind hole thingy, which gives you some boost. And I probably don't know what these spikes are for. But this is very cool Air India. This plane is so cool. I like the red on the tail, and actually I realized something on this plane. Here on the tail it's just Air India, and the other side of the tail it's written in Hindi, Air India. And this side is Air India, the other side is written in Hindi, Air India. Like Hindi it's written. But it's pretty cool. You have emergency exits. The wings look nice texture. Has nice texture. And this inside of the engine looks awesome. Guys, this is a very cool Air India. I hope you like, subscribe and share and click on the bell icon. 1, 2, 3. That subscribe button should not be red.